welcome back to my channel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know that I dyed my hair dark at the beginning of this year, and I just wanted to clear things out. It's still me, just different hair. So yeah. So today I have a makeup video for you, but it's slightly different than normal. I will not do any makeup look or anything. I thought to share my makeup tips and tricks with you. And today I'll be sharing tips specifically for eyes. And the thing is that I used to think that all these things I did were just like, you know, self-explanatory and everyone did them, until I actually shared them with some people and just showed them and told, and they were like, wow, thanks for advice. And I was like, really? Like, I did not expect that other people might not know it. So yeah, and then just hit me like some things that might be self-explanatory to me might be something new to other people. So to cut the story short, I thought to share these things with you, these tips and tricks I do with makeup. Maybe some of them will be helpful to you. Many of these tips and tricks have come to life because I was just reluctant to buy specific products for specific things, and in general I just wanted to see how you can use one product for various purposes or something like that. So yeah, this will be kind of the bottom line in most of the tips, I think. So let's get into the tips. Tip number one is use your long-lasting concealer as eyeshadow base, and it literally works as well as some good eyeshadow bases, like real eyeshadow bases, like I swear. And for this particular reason I really love this product, which is 100% pure concealer, and this is in the shade Cream, and this is a very nice concealer as a concealer, but I absolutely love using it as eyeshadow base. So just apply it on your eyelids as you would apply any other eyeshadow base. I usually do it with my fingers, but you can definitely use a brush, and then apply your eyeshadow on top. And this step deepens the eyeshadow color as well as makes the eyeshadow longer lasting. I really recommend this particular product if you don't want to buy like specific eyeshadow base but still want to use something on your eyelids under the eyeshadows. This is a good multitasking product. And here you can see in comparison the eyeshadow applied with this concealer aka eyeshadow base underneath it, and with nothing underneath it, and you can see that it really does deepen the color. Tip number two, apply mattifying face powder on your eyelids to prevent eyeshadows from creasing. If you have this specific problem of eyeshadows creasing in your crease, it means that you might have like slightly oily eyelids, so it's very important to use some kind of powder. But the more mattifying powder, the better, of course it is, the longer lasting the eyeshadows will be, and the more sure you can be that they will not crease. So yeah, whether you use eyeshadow base or you don't, I highly recommend to apply powder on your eyelid before you apply eyeshadow. And I personally like this Well People Invisible Setting Powder. For this particular purpose, it's just like clear, translucent face powder. For me, I think the clear ones, the translucent ones are the best, but literally you can use any powder that you like as long as it is at least slightly mattifying, and it will definitely make your eyeshadows crease less, if not stop them from creasing at all. So yeah, just apply the powder on the eyelid and then apply your eyeshadows on top as you would do normally. This step might slightly dim the color of the eyeshadow, but if your main priority is to prevent creasing, then I think it's kind of worth trying it. Tip number three, use your matte face bronzer as the crease eyeshadow. And this is the perfect way to define your crease. It's more for defining it rather than adding any color, and it can be considered also as part of contouring. And I'm using here this Lavera bronzer in Sunset Kiss number 2, my current favorite. And yeah, just apply it with a blending brush like normally you would do with an eyeshadow. And what I love about this step is that you can be sure that the color in a crease definitely won't contradict the face, because it's the same bronzer you used on your cheekbones, under the cheekbones. And yeah, you can see immediately that the eye that had the bronzer applied in the crease is definitely more defined than the one that hasn't. So yeah, it's a very simple yet defining step. Tip number 4, I think is my favorite, or one of for sure, is use your eye pencils as eyeshadow base in order to bring out colors of eyeshadows. You know how the contemporary makeup has this specific eyeshadow bases for nowadays, even for specific colors, but it used to be that there was a white base for any bright colors to bring out color, and there was a black base to make a smoky eye for dark, really sultry looks. Nowadays I think they make like even all different colors that you can use, so, and you can do it with the pencils as well, so definitely. Today I'm gonna show just like 2, like kind of my favorites. So definitely in order to bring out color in a bright eyeshadow, you can use a white eyeliner pencil. So just apply this pencil on your eyelid randomly, really, and then just blend it out slightly with a brush, and then apply the eyeshadow on top. And here I'm using this gorgeous aqua blue eyeshadow by Envy Echo, and it is quite bright on its own, but you can see the difference between the eye where there has been a white eyeshadow base applied and the eye where it hasn't been applied. So I really absolutely love this step. So yeah, this is for brighter eyeshadows, but if you want to achieve like more sultry looks, smoky eyes, oh my god, that's like the best thing to do. So this is how you achieve these deep smoky eye colors, if you are wondering. I know, at least to me, many people ask it. They kind of have dark eyeshadow, but they're just not deep enough. So yeah, the trick is just to use dark eyeshadow base. In this case here, I'm using this Sante dark brown eye pencil, but you can definitely use a black one that will just make the look deeper. Again, the same thing, just apply it randomly on the eyelid and then just blend it out with a brush and apply your eyeshadow you desire on top. And again, here you can see the difference, and I'm using this Jane Iredale eyeshadow, and Jane Iredale eyeshadows are quite pigmented on their own, but with this trick they look even much better, so for these specific looks. And especially with Green Beauty, I don't know, maybe I've missed, but I haven't seen these specific eyeshadow bases in different colors, so this is just a magical trick, isn't it? So yeah, let's move on. Tip number 5, use your eyeshadows as eyeliners. Another one that I absolutely love to do. All you need to do is take an angled brush and your face mist or makeup setting spray or water works really perfectly with this. You just need to make your brush wet, and then you just dab it into the eyeshadow. And here I'm using the Belle Lapierre eyeshadow in Refined, and this is a loose eye pigment, but you can definitely use this trick also with pressed eyeshadows, definitely. And the good thing about this is you can literally have any color eyeliner you wish. And yeah, you just kind of make sure your brush is wet and just dab it into the color and just draw a liner as you would normally. And voila, the liner is there. Note that with setting sprays this eyeliner will be longer lasting, whereas with water it will be less water resistant, obviously. But if you don't have watery eyes, or you are not going somewhere with like water to the beach or stuff, then it works perfectly well. I just love this step. And last but not least is use your eyeliner pencil to draw a winged liner. Many people buy specific eyeliners to draw a winged liner, which is cool. I have eyeliners as well and I absolutely love them. But if you are not too much into makeup and you don't want to have too many products, or if you're just too lazy or whatever, I don't know, I don't know, if you just happen to have only eye pencil but you want to have winged eyeliner, no worries, you can definitely do it. So why eyeliners are so good for winged eyeliner is because they are very deep in color. That's like, I think, the biggest thing for me when I compare eyeliner to a pencil. And the other thing is that they are quite easy to apply in order to create like this sharp and nice and neat wing. So you can do it with the pencil as well. And here I am using this black pencil by Laguna. And the good thing is that you can actually sharpen your eye pencil as sharp as you wish, and you can easily achieve as tiny and precise wing as you wish. It's really easy as that. And the trick with having a deeper color is definitely applying a matching eyeshadow on top. So here obviously I will apply this black eyeshadow because I'm using black eyeliner, and it makes a huge difference. It just deepens the color of the liner and it just makes it look as if you have a liner, not the pencil. So there you go, these are my makeup tips and tricks for the eyes. I hope you found them helpful and I hope you try them out if you haven't already, and if you do, please leave in the comments below what you think. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video and I see you very soon. Bye!